रेनबो टीम का नारा है कि भारतीय मतदाता का क्या आधार, शिक्षा, व्यावसायिक शिक्षा और संवैधानिक अधिकार। द स्लोगन ऑफ रेनबो टीम इज व्हाट इज द बेसिस ऑफ इंडियन वोटर, एजुकेशन, वोकेशनल एजुकेशन एंड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल राइट्स। तो एजुकेशन का मतलब है एजुकेशन ब्रांडिंग फॉर द डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एंड कैंडिडेट्स फाइनलाइजेशन। We will educate the people about our digital marketing and work for finalization through different social using different social media and social media example website, YouTube, WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn. Vocational education means focusing on the digital marketing, and in constitutional rights the focus would be on candidates finalization. So this change we have made to be a target oriented and result oriented and focus on the results. So for education branding for digital marketing and candidates finalization, for vocational education, digital marketing and constitutional rights, candidates finalization. So everybody, all team members will start working focusing on these targets. So this is implementation plan must make and update member wise pending and update list of work. All the Rainbow team member must be assigned their work and update record, pending work and update record would be maintained by team member wise, not all together as earlier we have made all together pending work list, 42 pending work list. Now we have to divide all these those pending works in between different team members. So now the pending work and update work list will be prepared by as per the team members. So implementation plan must make and update member wise pending and update list of work. So this list we need to prepare media, username, subject, update, pending work. bcdks.com, Green Lakshmi, education branding of marketing, candidate. dra.bcdks.com, yellow UMA, constitutional rights, candidates. 7.rj7.com, orange Saraswati, Amazon affiliate marketing. rj7.com, orange Saraswati, vocational education, digital marketing. CCCDRA.com, yellow UMA, constitutional rights, candidate finalization. rwdc1.com, orange Saraswati, vocational education, digital marketing. mit12.com, red Harshita, education branding of digital marketing and candidate finalization. ipa44.com, orange Saraswati, vocational education, digital marketing. dra11.com, yellow UMA, constitutional rights, candidates finalization. 6rush.com, green Lakshmi, education branding of digital marketing and candidates finalization. ren11.com, blue Vandana, VANDNA, vocational education, digital marketing. acdp.in, Indigo, Priya, constitutional rights, candidates finalization. run12.com, Violet RNGIT education branding of digital marketing and candidates finalization. So in digital marketing, the main our focus is on affiliate marketing. The most important part of marketing is affiliate marketing, and affiliate marketing is very much important and more important for the online working. So affiliate marketing is important, and if we combine affiliate marketing with networking marketing, then our network can increase all over of India and all over of world so easily, which will help us in our in our digital marketing and candidates finalization and branding of digital marketing and candidate finalization. So today we will talk focus on affiliate marketing in a proper way. Trending niche means niche means classification of your products. So trending niche for affiliate marketing in a proper way. Trending niche for affiliate marketing. So social greatness corporation, 27 great content ideas, quotes, share inspirational quotes relevant to your brand's personality. Quotations are always a great way to get your followers engaging. Testimonials provide proof of results or satisfaction from past clients and customers. Articles post relevant articles to your business and the problems that you solve. Question and answer allow your followers to send you questions about your business. Events, if you are attending any events in your industry, be sure to post about it. Behind the scene, give your followers a chance to see where the magic happens. Interviews, have an interview with someone in your industry and post about it. Offers, post a social media exclusive offer for followers to use. How to show followers how to use your products. Challenges, post a 3-5-7 day challenges to followers to share something with you. Competition, host a competition and post about it often to encourage participation. Poll, put out a poll on a new product services that you will be offering. Call to action, ask your followers to do something, click this link, sign up today, etc. Goals, share a personal or business goal that you hope to accomplish. Product, show a photo of your favorite products. Others links, share your links to other social media accounts you use. Website, post the link to your website with an exclusive offer for followers. Giveaways, host a giveaway contest and have followers share with friends chance for chance. Infographics, create a beautiful graphics that can help provide information, facts, sharing interesting or fun facts about your products, your story. Influencer send you product send your product to influencer and ask them to tag and share news. Find relevant news articles and share video. Post a video about your product services. Feedback, ask other for their opinion of your new design service offering. Boom boom ring boom ring, create a funny boomering video and share. Charity spotlight, share with your followers information about the charity that you support and why you choose to support them. How to rock social media like a boss. Have a plan, post consistently, share useful tips, ask questions, offer a freebie, share a fun holiday, like to a blog post, use seasonal themes, give a discount, post a selfie, sell your product. So we are talking about affiliate marketing. So our first company to become affiliate marketing can be Amazon. So why build a Amazon affiliate site? Amazon Associates, low cost, requires very little effort, and in most cases only takes a day to set up. Best results come from choosing the right niche. Read, don't do what everyone else does. Second affiliate company can be Flipkart. So Flipkart affiliate marketing, a complete guide. Flipkart affiliate program beta. There is one person called Rahul Manan. He was also a struggling boy. He struggled a lot online earning, and finally now he is earning lakhs of rupees monthly. He has shared his experience, how he has struggled, and now how he is started earning and how he is earning. So his experience is given on his website www.rahulmanan.com, and there is a video which following that we have made the video called 7.rj7.com. So the link of 7.rj7 video are given in front of 7.rj7.com. So these two videos and two links are very helpful for starting your affiliate marketing ideas. So Rahul Manan has given first option for affiliate marketing, that is ClickBank. From here the percentage of the earning is on higher side. It's around 50 to 80%, and in affiliate marketing it's only 1 to 10%. In Amazon and Flipkart the rate is so less. It's around 1 to 10%, between 1 to 10%, and in this ClickBank there is percentage 10 to 50 to 80%, and in the same way there is ClickFunnels. So this foresight is most important for affiliate marketing. One for starting Amazon, for most popular sites are Amazon and Flipkart, and most paying sites are ClickBank and Click Funnels. So these four sites can be started, and here you can plan how you start your affiliate marketing campaigning. So for campaigning there are two options. There are paid options and organic options. In organic option you need not to pay. You can use your YouTube's Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and all social media use in organic. And in paid media you can spread awareness about your products, affiliate products, by paid media. So this is Rahul Manan. So he has made this all programs, and he has kept the price 18,215 rupees of his all packages, and on discount he is taking only 1,997 rupees for limited time. So his programs are, here's what you will get: 6 modules of incredibly valuable online training, so value about 9,997, weekly live training value about res 1,427, private FB group 1,297, bonus 30-day $100 a day affiliate marketing challenge 4,997 rupees. He offer 30-day he challenge that everybody can earn $100 rupees, $100 in 30 days only. So bonus is 30 days, 100 days affiliate marketing challenge 4,997 rupees. So one thing can be done. One person go to him and tell him, okay, whatever we won $100, we will give to you only, and this fees also we will give to you only if you help us in earning this much amount in 30 days only. Bonus premium hostler t-shirt 497. This is hostler t-shirt. And bonus 1 hour coaching call with me, priceless. So this is his Rahul Manan program in affiliate marketing. Now basic ideas which we have shared in previous videos, here we will read only. So for customizing WordPress plan, there are these 5 stages. So customize WordPress theme. Customize WordPress theme, installing a plugin, using the customizer, using the page builders features, customizing framework themes, editing your themes code. Most 10 popular most used themes are Astra, Blocksy, Neve, Hello, Flux, OceanWP, Jacra, Foodica, Themify Simple 2021. Primary menus are we need to make this primary menu or in all our sites. and these are secondary menus. So these are primary menus: home, about us, products, services, contact us, join us, support us. And secondary menus are MIT, LSE, GS, NS, MEB, LG, sociology. This is for the bcdks.com. Hestia, Ultra, Bank, SBI, Payment Gateway, Instamoja, mobile 7549707739 9267979918, email democraticrepresentation@gmail.com. Education, vocational education and constitutional rights, rgs7.com. D5 Socialia, this is Socialia. Jakra, Studio Press, Bank, SBI, Payment Gateway, Instamoja, mobile 8588811311, email acdp.dra@gmail.com. Education, vocational education and constitutional rights, CCDRA.com. Hello Elementor, this is theme name. Bank, ICICI, Payment Gateway, Google Pay, mobile 7703962993, email CCDRA1@gmail.com. Education, vocational education and constitutional rights, rwdc1.com. 2021 Bank, Andhra, Rainbow, Payment Gateway, Roger Pay, mobile 8588067890, email vandnach2018@gmail.com. Education, vocational education and constitutional rights, MIT12.com. Neve, Big Store, Simple, Vertex, Bank, SBI, Payment Gateway, Instamoja, mobile 8588808500, email dutiesrights@gmail.com. Education, vocational education and constitutional rights, IPA44.com. D Business, Newsup, Fremedy, North Shore, Fudica, Bank, BOB, Payment Gateway, Paycoon, mobile 7543026577, email Saraswati Chaudhary 26@gmail.com. Education, vocational education and constitutional rights, DR11.com. X Bloglite 2019, Spencer Albar, Prolific, Bank, Canara, Payment Gateway, Paytm, mobile 6200683052, email collair4kids@gmail.com. Education, vocational education and constitutional rights, 6rush.com. Ocean WP, Kids Toy Store, education base, kindergarten education, Bank, ICICI, Payment Gateway, Google Pay, mobile 96758r@gmail.com, email 7703962993. Education, vocational education and constitutional rights, rain11.com. Storefront, SEO Press, Human, React, Javik, Bank, Andhra Rainbow, Payment Gateway, Roger Pay, mobile 8588067890, email vandnach2018@gmail.com. Education, vocational education and constitutional rights, acdp.in, Astra 2018-2017, Avada, Bank, Andhra, Payment Gateway, PayPal, mobile 8920625581, email 6indigo2019@gmail.com. Education, vocational education and constitutional rights, run12.com. 2020 Social Care Lite, Agama, Blog Magazine, Bank, Andhra, Run, Payment Gateway, Stripe, mobile 9810765442, email 7volder2019@gmail.com. Education, vocational education and constitutional rights. Now we learn how we get backup of our website and how to restore our website. We were facing in taking backup of our website, and once we have taken backup of our website, then we were facing difficulty in restoring the site. So here we learn how to backup and how to restore. So in cPanel file section there is backup wizard. So we will go here. There are 3-4 method to take backup and restore. Here we will discuss only one method. you can explore by watching YouTube video. So we will click on backup wizard. Once we click backup wizard, we will reach on a page where backup options are given, backup and restore options are given. So first option is backup or restore. So for backup and restore, you need to you click on backup, full or partial backup. There are second option. So once we click on backup, this page will come that full and partial backup. So if you want to take full backup, you can take by clicking on full backup. But if we want, there suppose we have 20 around 20 website, and it would be very heavy to take the backup of all the websites. So if we want to take backup of only important websites, so we need to take these three type of directory, the files and folders. We need to take backup of these three types of folder. These are home directory, one is home directory, two is MySQL database, and email forwarder and filters. So if we want to take the backup of selected website, so this is the option. First we take the backup of home directory, then we take up the MySQL database database, and then we will take the backup of email forwarder and filters. In this way we can take the backup of only selected website. We need not to take the backup of all the websites. Once we take the backup of all the website, all the websites are safe, as we have taken a backup of bcdks.com. So our all previous works are safe. So once we click on full backups, this option will open. You need to select home this option, home directory, backup destination, home directory. You will give email. So if the backup will be done, then email will give to you. So by clicking here, backup will generate, and once the backup ready, you can download the folder. This tar jar. In this tar jar, I have taken the backup of bcdks.com. There are all the website in this. So once we have taken this, we can extract the file, and it will look like this. So you will take the backup of this folder, and after extracting, this will come out. And once you will open that backup bcdks.com, so there are so many folders, but in this only two folders are important. Those are home directory and MySQL. If you are using the website email also, there would be three important folders. So in here, home directory and MySQLs are important. From home directory we can find the all files, and in MySQL we can find the all the datas. So suppose I have gone to home directory. This is home directory. If I have clicked on home directory, so this all website has open. So suppose I want to take the backup of upload the drabcdks.com. So what I will do, I will make the zip folder of this folder. So here I have made that dra.bcdks.com zip. This is the zip of this folder, and after making this zip folder, I will go to my hosting sites and open cPanel, and in cPanel I will click on file manager in file section. So if I click on file manager, this sections open. So I will search where is DRA. Here I already have made that domain subdomain name dra.bcdcase.com, and on DRA BC after opening this dra.bcdcase.com, after opening this I will click on download, upload, and our file will be uploaded. Once the file is uploaded, now we need to go in create a database. So for creating a database we need to go to MySQL database. So first option is uploading a file in uploading that zip file in the desired folder, and after zip folder is uploaded, you need to extract that zip folder there only, and after extracting you need to transfer all those file in that folder only. And once you extract it, now you need to create a database. So you will go to MySQL database wizard. Here is MySQL database wizard. Once you click on MySQL database wizard, this option will come, and here you will put the name of your database, and after next you will set the username, password and all, name, username and password, and your database will be created. Once your database is created, you all these files you have uploaded this, you go in config files. Here is config files. So if you click on this config files and you edit from here you can edit. So this will open. So our previous database was bcdcase.com WP295. So from here you can identify which database are used here, because there are so many database. You can see there are so many database SQL files. You cannot identify which database is linked with which website. So the easiest way is you can identify from here. So database name is bcdcase.wp295. So you need to upload only 295, and before that you need to change. This is previous database name, previous username, previous password. Now you need to create change with the present which you have created database, that database name and username and password. And after when you change it, after changing you can go to phpMyAdmin. Why you will go to phpMyAdmin? To uploading your database. So your previous database was WP295. So you will go on phpMyAdmin. This phpMyAdmin will open, and here acdp.in, and there is here dra.bcdcase.com. Once you click on here, this database will open. You make sure that whichever database you are using, their name must be here, and then you can you can click on the import, and you can choose file from here, and once you choose this will open. So our file was 243. So it was it is 295. So we can see 295 here is 295. We need to upload this database only, bcdks.com wp 295. Once we uploaded this, our website is ready. Once we go to our website, our home page only will open and other links will not open. So for correcting correcting that, what you need to do, you need to first go to setting, and in permalinks you will click on plain only, not on post name. Once you click on plain only and you save it, your all the page start normal functioning. Once your all pages are working normally, then you later you can again change it to post name, and once you change it to post name and save it, even then your website will work normally. Thank you very much. I hope this video is very helpful for focusing your goal. Thank you very much for watching this video.